REV-A-SHELF. Alright, so what did we do today? Today we installed a REV-A-SHELF. So you can see in the picture, I'll add one right now. What it is, it's pretty much a door mounting kit. So for the REV-A-SHELF door mounting kit, I mounted it to the cabinet with the recycling bin and the trash can. So before the REV-A-SHELF kit, you would have to open the door and then pull the slider out to get to the trash and recycle. With this kit, it makes it one motion. So it has two brackets that mount to the slider, then you mount the door directly to the brackets. So when you pull the cabinet door open, instead of swinging out, it just slides out as one unit, which saves time. It takes a little getting used to, especially if you're used to it opening and then pulling it out. This is just one motion of open, pull out. So I would recommend it. Read the instructions. At first I did not put the spacers, but at the end I needed it just to get it to mount on the door properly because it was recessed, so it didn't line up right. So make sure you look at those spacers and use them if you need them. If you have any questions about the kit or installation about the REV-A-SHELF kit, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you on it. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.